can't live a happy life through, then what's the point of even being with you? I'm wasting time away with you, and all we've done and it's so true. I wanna move on with my own life. I'm sorry, girl.
All right, guys, I'm up here at Maple Motors of Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1967 True RS Camaro convertible. I'm gonna do a little walk around. This car needs paint, needs a top. The seals and stuff around the top are in decent shape, but the main thing is the fabric's pretty much gone. The back window kind of came out of it. Definitely need a top put in. Gonna need paint. Gonna need the seats reupholstered in the front. The back looks pretty good. We got new trim. Not for the whole car, but for the pieces that are missing. But what I'm gonna do is do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws, which this one needs paint. It's got a couple dents. Little TLC, it runs and drives good, and you'd have a nice car, so. I'm gonna do my little walk around, point out any kind of flaws. If I see any rust issues is what I'm mainly looking for, any big dents. Because we know it needs a paint job. You can tell there's paint cracking everywhere. It's old, probably pretty close to original paint, I'd say. Hideaway lights. Tires are in pretty good shape. They seem to be pretty good. It's a 327, not a 350. It's out of a 68. There's a little rust right there. That's probably why they took the trim off. Look at all this. Very solid. Got some surface rust popping up on it. If you want to see under this car, I got detailed pictures on my website at weMainbsite.com. Please check that out. A little bit of rust popping up right here behind the driver's tire. Just paint popping up. A lot of this trim still looks really nice. The bumper's in good condition. Tail light trim. I think this is the worst spot on the whole car. It's actually got a big dent back here. It's gonna need to be fixed. Same issue on this side, on the passenger side. It's missing the antenna. See, this trim's still in good shape. Usually you get rust around where the top comes down. It looks good. Starting to dry out around the window seal. Front bumper's in good shape. $327 out of a 68 model. It's like it's got power steering. Still all drum brakes. Car's got a good sound to it. Sounds like it needs a gasket on the exhaust. Hear a little bit of a leak. Let's rev it up. Well, see if I can get that to pop up here. 57,000 is what it's saying on the dash. Blower motor's working. Heater core's hooked up as well. Carpet's not too bad. The seats are the worst, just the lower parts. A little faded on the console. But yeah, the top's going to need to be replaced. The back window is not holding in. We'll check the trunk out real quick. Like I said, there's that trim for the side pieces there. Weather stripping looks like it's been replaced. There's still some defects to it. All right. Well, I'm getting ready to go on a test drive, take this car down the road. Any kind of flaws that I can find with it running and driving, I'll point that out. I'll be checking the steering, the brakes, all the way down to the motor and drivetrain suspension. So we'll check everything out, make sure it checks out, tell you any kind of flaws. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. Check us out on maplemotors.com. You can see 100 detailed pictures of this car inside out and underneath. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope to hear from you. And thanks again, guys.